Finally, you made the correct choice by choosing the best emergency water damage, restoration and leak detection company in the South Bay Beach areas, where your uncertainties, worries, and stress are gone. While others failed, let us win for you. You can have more time to do your activities and focus what is more important to you, while we get to work for you to get your property restored, looking brand new, and you can feel proud of your home again. Don't doubt anymore, every minute counts. Your time is valuable, so just call now 310-533-5400 for more information, and let us help you move forward.